Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, and there are a couple of ways in which you can do this. So you can obviously go through your home feed and you may get sponsored people on there, which all you have to do is just click on their name, and that'll bring you to their profile, and you should see the three dots on the top right hand side, and you should see block on there. You can also go to your profile icon on the bottom right, then obviously select following, and if there is somebody on there that you want to block, just obviously click on their name, then select the three dots on the top right, then you should see block near the top. So once you press on there, this will also block any other accounts that they may have or create in the future. They won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. They won't be notified that you blocked them, and you can unblock them at any time in your settings. So if you're happy with all that, just select block at the bottom and that account will be blocked. Thanks for watching.